SDV.
July 6, 2010. Well, today I don't have really anything to report, except for, well, you can hear it, the sound on the streets. That's been going on for like 15 minutes now. I guess the Netherlands won in the World Tournament of Soccer for at least these half finals that were played this evening. And yeah, the people have gone completely mad. What you're looking at is a view of Amsterdam, by the way. Okay, plenty of car horns, vuvuzelas and screaming people for now. I wish you all a good night and I'll see you guys in the next vlog.